time for us to get back on the 350Z EV. We are going to continue finishing the audio system. I know we started doing the interior speakers, which they all mounted on the doors. We have them on the back, right behind the seat. We have 2 more speakers, and we have the subwoofer enclosure installed on the in the back of the trunk right now. But what's left to do, we need to do the wiring, and then we need to finish doing the amplifiers, the matrix, and the bass knob for the amplifier. So let's get to it. All right, so I have these custom panels that I made, and they go right here. It's gonna see just like this, and some of our devices are gonna be here, like the 4-channel amplifier and the ground splitter. Okay, so it is the end of the day, and this is what I got done so far. We were busy doing all the stuff, but we have the kicker amp mounted. We got both the fuse box and the ground splitter here. We have all the wires running, and everything from this side over is connected to the battery. We also ran the subwoofer wires behind the cubby right here, and then we just gotta finalize and connect those things over there. Ah, no, face. Why are you taking all this spots, Will? He's so angry.
Dude, what's going on here?
We're just laying in here together, having some fun.
Keon.
Who says he need a back seat?
Big mess going on.
Oh, it's about to get messy.
So what are you guys wiring up right now?
Right now, he is finding a key switched output for our remote wire to both of our amps. Because we have a harness back here that has all kinds of things, but there's no radio to actually put power to the radio remote wire. So we need to get down here, we'll run it around and turn on our amps when the key switch is on.
Because typically a head unit would send all that power and signal, right? But
the head unit would normally have a blue or white wire that would kick on the aftermarket amp.
so that's why Ricky's swearing under there.
My back's
That's why
killing me, bro. I gotta do.
I almost wore my blue flannel today too.
No, you better not. So for the passenger area, we were thinking of doing matrix here and then the 4-channel lamp here. We have the 4-channel amp mounted. I have most of the wires ran. The same thing on the matrix. Very close to hooking up the tablet to our system. So once the iPad is fully connected, we'll get Will out here so he can turn everything on. Will, are we ready or not?
Dude, do you mind if I make things look okay? Is it okay? Is that alright with you?
Not yet.
Well, I'm basically making it so that we don't have tripwires in here.
I should have called Will after I was done plugging stuff in.
You were done plugging stuff in and I'm cleaning it up.
And then you were like unplugging everything.
Come on, Ricky. Tune it up, girl.
I'm not reaching in between you, bro. Okay, so while Will figures this out, I'm gonna turn the key on just to make sure we have power to all 3 amps. If we do, then that means power-wise everything is good to go. And I see a power here, good. I see power there, and I see power over there. All right, so we're good. I'm gonna cut this back off. You know the power's working. Wait for Will to get finished setting up, and then we'll start testing music.
Ready to play.
Just play it. You're not gonna hear anything because everything is turned down. So move your butt. Get the... It's playing?
Should be. Oh, I hear birds tweeting.
That's this one. Can you test that one? This one's hitting.
Nothing coming out of here.
Yeah, but that's cool. Mom? Nope. Here, what about your front? know. All right, so the issue that we're having is like the matrix, that you have one RCA go in and it'll have a split out to 6. But right now it has one RCA going in and it's only having a split out to 2, which is why we only hear the rear 2 speakers.
You got this whole thing open.
Yeah, we performed surgery. All right, audio controls, the matrix. They actually have a little sticker in here. This is not abnormal to do. I looked up on their site. In order to have one RCA signal in and 3 RCA signals out, or sorry, stereo inputs. So left and right in and 3 pairs of left and right out. There's just a couple of jumpers. You have independent or linked. And so our in we needed to change to link and our 2 outs we needed to change to link. Now everything is gonna fire out of here based on what's coming into our 1 main channel.
Is it installed? You guys ready?
We got 2 screws from testing.
I don't know why you guys are screwing it in if you didn't even test it yet.
Because they need to be able to sit still while I'm playing with it.
That's what she said.
What the f wrong with this? Oh, the knob. What knob? This knob.
Oh yeah. Ah, that's working now.
I will.
What the heck is going on?
The walls in my office are shaking.
Whoa.
That's so ridiculous.
It is the next day and we are ready to take the 350Z EV to the weigh station. We really want to see, or I really want to know what the car weighs. We got both seats in, we have the entire audio system done, we have the air suspension, the wheels, the body kit, everything is in there. But one thing we should guess is like, what is the stock weight of a 350Z?
Stock weight is 3,200 pounds.
What do you think the 350Z weighs now?
With all that weight, 44.
4,400?
But I said it adds like 500 pounds, so what is that'd be
So
like
37.
37.
37, okay.
I'm gonna say 42.
42, okay.
I'm gonna say 35, 50.
35,
Yeah,
50.
like not that much more.
30.
Just a little more.
500.
What?
You're 50 pounds less.
You know
than
who
me?
I really want to get the number from? Will.
Will's probably the most accurate.
I'm guessing.
You should call Mick.
I'm guessing 4,800 pounds.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm guessing 48. 350Z stock weighs 3,200 pounds. What do you think it weighs now that?
So the suspension and audio is going to be at least 100 pounds easy. Electric cars weigh a lot more than gas-powered cars, so I'm going to shoot for 37.
3,700.
37.
Okay, 3,700.
That's what I said.
Where's Will's gotta be on the car? Stock 350Z weighs 3,200 pounds. How much do you think it weighs now?
3,100.
Calvin, can you take a quick guess what the 350Z weighs now?
What is the stock one?
3,200.
A motor is like what? And transmission about like
And diff was removed, right?
that's like about
And then
like
we
800
replaced
pounds.
it with 16 batteries and the power
batteries are
unit.
heavy, my guy.
They are.
I want to say around 38.
38. So I'm the only
I
one
can't
that
revise
went.
my number now, can I?
Nope, you're stuck. That's it. All right, there are the numbers. I went. I'm the only one that went like way up there. Where to?
First of all, everybody will be happy that we now have seatbelts.
Hey, because this is the first time we're actually taking her out. We only went up and down the cul-de-sac. This is our first time getting on the freeway with this car. First time getting on the freeway, boys.
It's only the second time I've been nervous driving this car. First time was after the hood.
Hey, did we lock the pins?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
I looked at it as I was walking to make sure.
Okay. That's our speed?
Maybe.
Oh no, it's about right. Oh, our map show up there too. All right. So far she's smooth. Getting off one exit, that's it. This is usually what we do test drives at. Alright, so we are right next to the weigh station. We made it in one piece with zero issues.
Other than losing Vic in his slow.
Nice, slow Lexus. Oh, oh, my taco truck.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, is that? No, that's not our guy.
I don't care, I'm buying whatever. Oh, I hope we can take card. Alright, so we just found the scale on our own and we're just gonna get on top of it.
Are we? I kind of want to make sure somebody's looking at it.
Well, I bet you if you get on it, somebody will come out. So the scale is right in front of us. Do we just get in it?
Good. So Ricky's inside. He messaged me saying that he needed me to pull up on the scales, get out of the car, and I sent it in the VIN. So now they're weighing it. We'll see what they come up with.
What's up, man?
Another 350, dude. Get it.
Yeah.
Pretty good. You said they
370.
it out for electric motor. Yeah, that's pretty clean.
Yep, it's got a Tesla driving unit.
That is so quiet.
So it actually weighs 3880. I said 4800. I am super impressed. This thing only went out 500 pounds with everything in it. Car audio, air suspension, all the Tesla batteries, the driving unit, everything. Insane.
And then just by chance, someone rolled up with a 370. Check that out.
That's super sick.
What do you think, man?
It's great. It looks great. It's super quiet.
So this is what we really wanted to see. VQ or 370, 350, G35, G37, people that have the internal combustion chassis of this same kind of car. I'm checking this out, kind of getting excited about it. This guy's name is Ron, he works here at the weigh station, and he says it looks great, and he doesn't hate us for taking out the VQ.
So we are super, not late, but our lunch was a long time ago. So we're gonna take lunch real quick. We're gonna go get something to eat. Perfect. Good. Well, turn the key on. We got power to the dash. Turn the button off for the charging system, and we have no power going to the switch. That turns everything else. So that little switch right there, this simulates our ignition key until we can get the center dash properly wired. So when we turn this on, it tells the unit that we turn the key on. So right now we have two switches, one here and one there. And then this one lost power to the switch. So the switch, you cannot tell the unit to turn on. So Will's doing his magic now, so how to figure out what happened. I was gonna say it has to be a
Fuse.
one of the many fuses.
That's all this car is fuses.
Yeah. Dude, every time me and Will go out, something happened. Well, the last one was with Quinn.
With Quinn, yeah.
Oh, so the bad luck is me. That breaker's working. That one's good. That one looks good.
We have 12 volt from here too. We got two 12 volt sources.
So even if one was failing,
Yeah, but if the breaker's bad, then it's not gonna go through.
Whatever you did, it's fine
it's
now.
on now?
I think that means our fuse for this battery is gone. Because if I don't have 12 volt from that, I should have 12 volt from this.
No.
Both of these positives go to the same distributor, but they're
So what happens if we run out of battery here?
Oh, nothing.
here is nothing. That we still have that battery up there.
Yeah.
And that battery up there was the original only one, and everything was running without it. We added this battery so that we could have the audio system and the air system and an extra capacity to hold the draw from both of those systems hitting at the same time.
Nah, we're good.
We're good. Let's drive. And to be clear, the only reason we have the fuses that we have right now is because we had used all the ones that were rated that we wanted to. So we used a 60 amp, which we had in stock, and I ordered more. And now we need to change out for the more that I ordered.
Who was the closest?
Winner of a pizza is.
Oh, are you buying pizza for? Okay. You just said it.
doing lunch?
All right.
Whoever gets to revise my vote or what?
No. So what did everybody say again? If you remember.
I said 35.50.
Okay.
It's at 3,900. I won 37.
42.
3,800.
I was 500 over, so
37.
What was your guess?
For what?
How much does the Z weigh now? So stock Z is 3,200 pounds roughly.
3680.
And the winner is
What is it?
No.
3,800.
3,800 pounds.
3,880.
So like almost 3,900. So about 700 pounds increase.
There you go.
650 pounds.
3,880.
It's not that much.
I went 37. I was close.
600 pounds overstock, which is insane. Alright, so Will told me to check. Will told me to check the fuse that we have for the battery. Now remember when he said that we threw a 16 amp fuse because it's all we had at the time, and then we placed an order and we got the 100 amp one, which is the one that we actually needed. So then we went for a drive, we forgot about it, fuse popped. Thank God the battery was brand new. So we
Hey, we're filming here.
At least takes off quick.
That's
Yeah.
right. You knew we were about to come out there.
Will was about to go, that wasn't. We put the 100 amp in it, so we should be all good. Thank God our battery was brand new, so it carried out.
Yeah.
It let us use everything the whole trip yesterday. So it's ready to go. We gotta do, just gotta test the system, and then that's it. We'll be
Is that
able to
breaker
drive
off
it.
or on?
It is off.
That's off?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, that is it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. We've replaced all fuses and breakers, and we have full power again. See you next time.